Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every weekday morning at 8 o'clock and Saturdays at 9, I come to you live and start our day with a little crafting fun and creativity. This week, we have been using the Nothing's Better Than bundle. And this is the stamp set, and then there's the coordinating dies that go with it. I think this is just cute as can be and so much fun. I'm having a blast with this, and it couldn't have come at a better time. It is hot as heck outside, and so I thought, well, today would be a perfect kind of day for a frosty cocktail. So we're having some tropical treats today and enjoying our journey with the Nothing's Better Than bundle. All right, so let's get started. Today we are going to use Magenta Madness as our card base, and it's 4 1/4 by 11 and scored at 5 1/2. Now remember, all of these directions and measurements will be found over on my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. Good morning, Kathy. Ooh, your box is coming today. I thought it wasn't coming till Friday. That's awesome. Yay! So Kathy's participating in the Dog Days of Summer retreat this weekend, virtual retreat. And so I mailed out all those goodie boxes. All right. Next, I have a piece of basic black, 4 7/8 by 3 5/8, I believe. And a piece of this fun watercolor stripe paper from the Flowers for Every Season Designer Series paper pack. On the back is that bumblebee flower, but these stripes make me think of beach towels. So, yes, indeed. Here we go. The quote, memories, you know how Facebook does the memories. This is where you were so many years ago. So it popped up that a few years ago, 2 years ago to be exact, my sister and I were riding the train in Skagway. And here, that was a great day. It was a warm day in Skagway too, but nothing like today. My goodness. We're going to turn this. That's what we're going to do. So, you know, a little tipsy from the cocktails, I suppose. All right. Whew. Skagway was fun. Whoa! Oh, no. What did I do? Who knows? Pay attention to what you're doing. There we go. That's on the back. We're going to just roll her over that. Okay. This is going to go on straightish. Okay. Like so. All right, let's stamp. I'm going to take my Stamparatus, and I have cut out of this beautifully fun glimmer paper. I think it's rainbow glitter paper. Don't quote me. I'll look it up. It'll be on my blog. And I wanted to see if we could stamp on it. I had no idea. I'd never done it before. But the answer, my friends, is yes, you can. And oh, how cool is that? It just made this paper like 1,000 times more useful in my eyes. Okay, so let's make sure I'm stamping in the right place. Yep. Okay, got my magnets. I've already cut these out. Look how frosty and tropical they look, right? What do they call something like that? Delicious, right? I don't know. Okay, I'm inking that up. I'm off camera, sorry. Okay, inking that up. And then I'm gonna close that right on that glimmer paper. And the cool thing about this glimmer paper, no glitter anywhere. It's not on my stamp, it's not on my hands, it's not on my table. This is the best stuff. You get the sparkle and the bling without the mess. And it was super easy to cut through with my die cutting machine. Okay, if you're messaging me privately right now, I will get back to you 8 o'clock every morning. I'm right here. All right, how fun. Next, I have a piece of petal pink, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment using Memento Black. And I have 2 sentiments today. I'm going to stamp it close to the edges. Oops. Turn it over. That was a little crooked. That's better. Whew. All right. And I have my paper snips, but I'm going to let that dry so I don't accidentally smear it. Bring my card back. And I'm going to set my cocktails where I want them to go. Okay, kind of like so. Then, out of the glimmer paper, I also die cut the word cocktail. Now, what's cool about this is you can kind of, right, it's pretty sturdy, and I'm going to just kind of, instead of in a straight line, curve it just slightly, all right? So I'm going to throw that down first so that I can see where that's going to go. Get all those little pieces out of the way. And I'm using, whoopsie, some Tombow liquid glue, and you don't need a lot, just a few dabs, okay? It's not going to go anywhere, and this is pretty strong stuff. And this glimmer paper is not as thick, so it's really easy to put down. I'm going to put it on the back of that T. Okay. Just like that. Now, don't forget the eye. It's very, very tiny, but it comes out really nice. And you take your pick tool with the putty and just attach of that Tombow. See? I'm going to put it down just like that. Okay? I have some dimensionals back here. You remember yesterday, these are my end of the rope dimensionals, so we're gonna put one right here, and see, using up the whole pack. Why not, right? This one is gonna go here, and this one we'll put right here. Then the last thing I want to do is cut these out with my snips. So it's just a rough, fussy cut. And since we're drinking cocktails, it doesn't have to be super straight, okay? I'll forgive you if it's not. Let's see here. I have these little baby dimensionals. I just love these. Not only are they cute, but super functional. Today is a cocktails kind of day. How fun, how refreshing. They look tropical. Oh, thank you, Michelle. Rainbow Glimmer paper, 2 sheets for $6. It's really awesome stuff. I really like it. I wasn't sure, but I really do. And you can stamp right on it. Look, no smearing, and you're good to go. It's pretty great. So I wonder what kind of cocktails we should have today. Whatever you have, iced tea, lemonade, a hurricane, make it frosty, make it cool, put it in a cool glass because you'll feel better all around. Have a wonderful day, everyone. There will be no coffee and cards tomorrow. It is Friday, and I am over the top getting ready for that retreat. But I'll be back Saturday at 8 o'clock. No, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock Saturday, right here for Crafty Saturday. Have a great day, and I'll see you Saturday morning. Bye-bye.